couple out of the hotels. There's the John Deere tractor. Headed to the track. It looks like we got this guy who's on a trailer, so he might be out for the week. Well, we're at Music City Dragway for the start of day 2 here at Sick Smokies. We're in the Sick Ward Spit and Shine area right now. I did get my car all shined up, as good as it can look. And we're ready to start watching some racing. Currently doing a little track cleanup. Got all the gassers in line, getting ready to do some racing. And we're just about to start off the gasser class. Should see some wheel hops and burnouts here. Well, to be determined, but hopefully they get it back together. Well, for day 2, an unfortunate delay has put us way behind. It's 2 o'clock, and all of these guys are still waiting in line to get their first run. So it's going to be a long day.
So for those of you that hung
All right, due to the unfortunate accident with the timing system, we're now doing arm drop drag racing just for fun. The day is considered a rain day. Everybody's times doesn't count, but they're going to put all the cars down the track for fun. So they should put on a really good show for us. Getting back to racing here with our arm drop. Well, officially the racing is over here at Music City Dragway. We stuck around to watch the last of the cars go through. Now we're off for our drive to the first checkpoint. Well, so we just got passed by Tom. He's in the Talladega in front of us. Well, so for day 2, we made it to the first checkpoint here at Keller's Restaurant, right on the side of the highway here. You see the parking lot is filled with race cars. We are actually feeling way behind, so we are headed out. We're gonna keep going down the road. About 7 o'clock, we just made it to the final checkpoint. We're following that Corvette around all day. They got their pictures and they're off to the hotels.